AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here with a sneak peek for the napkins mega napkin sale I'm having on August 29th at 7 p.m. EST, Eastern Standard Time. And I'm going to show you just a little of what I have. And, you know, here we go. We have this Coca-Cola one. It is a rare one. It's the old style Coca-Cola. Okay. And it is a dinner or cocktail napkin, I believe. Okay. That's that one. Then we have this one. Some of them is full panel. Some of them is just a single panel with 3 white panels. We have the little fox. Okay, my camera just moved without me moving it. That is weird. Okay. I'm trying to do this one-handed, guys. It's not that easy, but I'm trying. Then we have this beautiful butterfly one, which is 4 panels. I love this one. I have an idea to do for some of them. Okay, that's that one. Then we have this beautiful floral or botanical with pineapples on it. And it is full panel. All 4 panels are the same. Then we have this plain black one. This is a dinner napkin. The botanical one is a dinner napkin also. Then we have this one. It's a full panel. This is a cocktail napkin. And it says, "Did I just say what a bleep out loud?" Okay, that one. Then we have the little cute penguin. That is 2 panels with a penguin. 2 panels with a penguin, 2 panels with a snowflake with the triangle border. This is cute. You can decoupage with them. You can make junk journals. You can make decoupage boxes. And there are a lot of things you can do with these napkins. 2 panels of Dr. Seuss, 2 panels polka dot. Then we have the snowman, that's 4 panel, full panel. Isn't it cute? You can decoupage one on a card, one on a ornament, and go on with it. Then we have Star Wars, which I'm not going to open it all the way. I'm just going to flip it like that. You got the 2 panels that just say Star Wars. Well, 3 panels that say Star Wars and one with the big picture. Okay. Then we have this flag, which is 3 panels that are white. And you got the flag border and 1 panel flag. Okay. Then you have this one for Thanksgiving, which is 3 panels white with the border. And then you have one with the cornucopia with the pumpkin and all the fruit. Then you have a Halloween, which 3 panels are white. You have the border here. And you have 1 panel that's the witch. I'll show you the other 2 panels. Okay. Then we have this floral one. And I think it's full panel. Yep, all 4 the same. And it's the cocktail napkin. Now I have more napkins than this for the sale, but this is just a little sneak peek of what's to come. Okay. So this is what you're gonna see in the sale. Whoops. Putting a poor little fox on his head. You got that one. This one. The flag. Then you have Star Wars. The snowman. Then Dr. Seuss. And the penguin. Then we have this one. And you have the plain black. Then you have the botanical. And then we have the cute butterfly. Okay. This is just a sneak peek of what is to come. Okay. I thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I put up new content. And I will see you all in the next video. Stay crafty, be safe, be kind, and most of all, stay safe. And see you all on the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.